Hello and welcome. You're now looking at the inside of an agency dashboard of Go High Level. And we're here because I'm going to be starting a new series here on YouTube, primarily for our PLR show customers. Now, we are now inside of a sub account, and a sub account is an area where if you have a Go High Level account, you can give people access to a platform where they can build their own membership site. Now, in a sub account, your customer, if you have an agency account, or you, if you have a sub account, can upload your videos and your video courses in order to sell them through this membership platform. And because our Ultimate Insiders get this as a bonus in order for them to host their video courses, I'm going to be teaching this course again. It's going to be free, it's going to be public, so that first I'm going to be giving them and you insight on how to use the platform, not only to sell videos, but then to do some other marketing. Now, if you visit the Go High Level website, you're going to notice that this is primarily for agencies and people who want to give accounts to other people. And so if you go here and you look at the pricing, you're going to see, well, it looks like a little expensive to have a membership site. It's mainly because getting an account means then that you can give access to other people to start their own membership site. Now, last fall, I started a course called Video Academy Boss, where I started demonstrating how to use this platform if you have a sub account in order to build your own video academy. Now, that course came with resale rights and had 14 videos. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be adding to this course at the same time that I do these demonstrations on YouTube for you to see. Now, there are going to be 4 use cases for this series. Use case number 1, you're an Ultimate Insider, you're using the platform to build your membership site for all of your PLR videos, and you're using the bonus free sub account that we give you as part of your membership. If you've not signed up as an Ultimate Insider, you can do that at theplrshow.com/insiders, and then you want to access the free course, and you can access the free course inside of your Insider account for your membership. You also want to access the upcoming course we're going to be building in Extreme Community. It's going to be free to you. It's going to be paid to everyone else. And it's mainly so that I'll be able to be available to answer questions for people as we build out this series. Use case number 2, you already have a Go High Level account, and what you want to do is you want to teach online marketers how to have a membership site. And what you're going to find is that there are not a lot of videos on that subject. Most of the videos and the videos that I see on YouTube and elsewhere, they're really designed to help people who want to build an agency. In fact, there are white label videos that people give to their customers and people who have sub accounts in order to run their local business. There's not a lot there on how to build the kind of business that most of you who are listening to me are building, which is an online marketing business, and you're primarily selling information products. And that's what I'm going to be teaching you in this series. Now, if that's you, you have a Go High Level account, you want to start selling sub accounts to other digital marketers, what you want to do is you want to get our Video Academy Boss course, and you want to get PLR rights to those courses or resale rights. And you can get that at theplrshow.com/TVAB. And basically, as I build out this series here on YouTube, I'm going to break off a piece and give you access to the videos. They're not going to be watermarked. They're not going to have my introduction in them. And then you're going to be able to use them in order to teach your customers. It's going to be the very same thing I'm going to be teaching here on YouTube, except that it's going to be edited out and you'll be able to rebrand it. Use case number 3, you have the PLR version of New Marketer Workshop PLR, and you want to teach people Principle 9, which is how to build a learning center, and you want to sell them the software to do it. And that's really kind of the best way to teach that principle. If that's you, you have New Marketer Workshop PLR, you want to teach people Principle number 9, what you're going to need is you're going to need the software. You're going to need a platform where you can give people their own membership site, where they can host their own videos and their own video courses. You want to get the New Marketer Workshop PLR. You'll have a series where you can teach them. You also want to get your own agency license of high level, and you can do that at theplrshow.com/go high level. And if you do get it, I will give you access to our Video Academy Boss to train your customers. Now, if you already have it, right, let's say you have New Marketer Workshop, and you already have your own account to Go High Level, then you can purchase Video Academy Boss, and you want to do that now while I'm building out the series. You know, obviously as the series gets to be more extensive, I'm obviously going to have to raise the price from where it is right now. But if you already have Go High Level and you want to get the series, then make sure you go over to the plrshow.com/TVAB, and you're going to get the videos as I update them and add them to the course platform. And finally, use case number 4, you're already a Go High Level account holder. Right now, you don't have a lot of videos teaching the people who have sub accounts how to be digital marketers. And so you want to get that from our Video Academy Boss PLR course. You can do that at the plrshow.com/TVAB. And you also want to get our new marketer workshop PLR. You can get that at the plrshow.com/TNMW combo. So again, since this series is primarily going to be for our Ultimate Insiders, I'm going to be breaking down how to use this platform in order to sell your digital products. Now, obviously, there's a whole lot more to this platform, so we want to focus primarily on the stuff that will help you to build and to sell your digital products. We will eventually get around to all the tools which could be helpful to you, but they're not necessarily built for you to sell digital products. They're not necessarily built for you to do your coaching programs and things of that nature. Once again, if you are an Ultimate Insider, you already have access to this platform as a bonus. Now again, I do not suggest that you join Ultimate Insiders just to have this platform. There are easier ways to build a membership site, and this is not a perfect platform. But if you already have our videos and you're getting them every month, then this is a good way of building a platform that you're not paying for the platform. You're getting this as a bonus, and you're getting the training that I'm doing on it to use. And then eventually, if you decide that you want to get your own Go High Level account and then sell sub accounts to people, you'll then be able to take the PLR that I am building up for you as an Ultimate Insider. You can then use that for your own customers. So again, I know that this is a little different in terms of being able to explain all this, and I will explain these things in the coming weeks as I continue to do more videos here for our YouTube channel. Thanks. Have a great day.